We take a look this evening at a bigger picture perspective of West Indies cricket, starting from the ousting of Jamaica's Dave Cameron as Cricket West Indies board president. Remember Prime Minister Keith Mitchell of Grenada, Ralph Gonsalves from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, the senior West Indies players at the time. They all moved mountains to get rid of the big island Jamaican president and got their small island leadership in place, first with Ricky Skerritt and now with Dr. Shallow, and now small island supremo Darren Sammy, who, by the way, replaced big island Jamaican Andre Coley as test team coach, and he removed big island Jamaican Robman Powell as T20 captain. So the small islands now have full control of West Indies cricket, with the tragic and embarrassing reality being that in all three formats, Test, ODI and T20, West Indies is terrible and getting worse under this small island curse.